Well, if you are thinking about divorce or facing separation from your spouse, you probably have a lot of unanswered questions. This morning, we have a team in our help center that specializes in family law. You can call them now to learn more about your rights and your options. 303-218-BEST, 303-218-2378.
With us this morning is Mark Chapleau, an attorney with Bloch Chapleau, and this is a hard morning to go on television. We were just talking about this. You want to say something about what happened in Boston?
Yes, obviously you don't plan these things out with something like this in mind, and I just wanted to also say that my heart goes out to all the families that have been in some way affected by this, the victims themselves, the families of the runners that were out there, the folks in Boston, and all across the nation that know somebody or just like the rest of us, just that it hurts us as well that this has happened.
Yes, it just hurts. It's just so sad.
It was a hard morning to wake up to, and you know, we're talking about another hard thing, which is divorce. And nobody wants to be in this situation, but the reality is that sometimes you are, and you have an expertise in helping men through divorce.
That's right. As a firm, we represent both men and women in these types of matters, but 25 years ago, my partner began essentially putting out their efforts for representing men in divorce, and I joined him back in 1996, and we've continued to do that and developed, you know, over the time, a considerable wealth of experience in representing men in divorce and helping them get through that process.
Walk us through your process just a little bit with Bloch and Chapleau. From what I understand, I mean, each person obviously gets their own attorney, you know, to them, but they actually get the help of the entire team.
Correct. We have 5 partners and an associate as well. And obviously additional staff. My legal assistant is always helping with my clients, helping them with compiling the information that you need to do for going through a divorce. And the partners ourselves, it is not uncommon every day that I'll walk into another partner's office and say, hey, I've got this set of facts, this circumstance, and vice versa coming into my office. So we bounce this off, and we really do work as a team on all of our cases, and that creates just a whole lot more information. Just my partner Joe and I alone have almost 50 years of experience practicing law.
We're going to be talking to you a little later, and it seems that sensitivity is a top priority in your firm. So take a few minutes right now to call the team from Bloch and Chapleau in our help center today. Learn more about your options in a divorce and how you can best handle a tough situation. The number's 303-218-BEST. That's 303-218-2378.